Known as one of the exotic tourist destinations in Indonesia, Bintan Island offers so many different exciting activities that you have to experience. Luxury resorts, world-class golf courses, magnificent coastal beauty in just one island would be the perfect getaway for those who look for a place for leisure and adventure activities. As the largest island out of around 3,000 islands in Riau Archipelago, statistics record more than 350,000 tourists come to visit Bintan Island. Now, let's check why it's attracting hundreds of thousands travelers. A small island situated across Tanjung Pinang, capital of the Riau Islands province, the island of Penyengat in the 18th century was the twin seat of the Sultan of the Johor Riau Kingdom. Today, the Sultan's palace is being restored. It is an interesting blend of Javanese and Dutch architecture, still imbued with an air of dignity, even though it has been abandoned for more than 80 years. Here are tombs and crypts, and a restored fort. The pride of the island is the Sultan's Mosque, the Masjid Raya Sultan Riau Penyengat. Peeping through the palm trees like a fairy tale castle, it is still in use today. Rumor has it that a large part of the mosque was made of eggs, gifts from the Sultan's loyal subjects on the occasion of his wedding. The egg white proved to be a strong bonding agent. The mosque has excellent acoustics, and even a whisper can carry right across the auditorium. Here is also the beautifully preserved handwritten and illustrated Quran of over 150 years old.